Hi guys, how are you doing today? Hopefully you guys are doing pretty good. Hopefully you guys are feeling inspired and I don't like this at all. So let's start over, shall we? Hi guys, how are you guys doing today? Hopefully you guys are having a pretty good day so far. So today what we're going to be doing, last few finishing touches in the studio. I'm super excited. It's coming together and it looks super good, and just being in there gets me just really excited, and it just makes me feel like things are coming so close to being together, and just happy is just not even a close enough word to try to explain it all. So one of the things that we're going to be making is so for me and my props, when they're put away, you don't see what you have. You forget what you have. You double buy. Been there, done that. Also, you know, when you're just thinking of these shoots and you're sitting with a customer or a client and they're explaining what they're envisioning, you need to be able to quickly okay, I have this. Okay, I have that. And also for inspiration to strike. And so my bunting, my banners, however you want to say it, they're all twisted inside this horrible box, and it's hard to see what I have, and they're all tangled, and I can't stand it. So one of the things I have decided is on one of my walls. It's going to be the wall that I utilize, like backdrops and stuff like that, so that I can utilize the top portion of it, because anything that's taller client-wise, like moms, dads, I'm going to have a backdrop and stuff. But for my tinier clients, I have some paneling that I got from Menards and stuff like that, that I will have halfway up the wall. I would love to have different kinds of wood, for the adults and stuff too, but just unfortunately space-wise, it's just not really one of my options. So halfway down is going to be kind of my wood paneling, and then the other half I'm going to make my bunting hangers. And then that way I can just put backdrops right in front of those. Just because I have to think of multiple ways that I can utilize my space for storage as well as actual usage. So I don't know if I came up with this idea or I saw it somewhere, but when I was walking around Hobby Lobby and I saw these little hooks, I was like, holy cow, I can make something out of this for my bunting. So while I was staining my newborn headband wood, I want them to be all the same color, so I just went ahead and did all kind of on the same day. So I cut these out just to be big enough to hold my little hook. I didn't need it to be any bigger than that. So I would say he's probably maybe 5 by 4. Yeah. 2 identical size pieces. I sanded them down, stained them up, and I found these hooks, and I am absolutely in love with them. I'll probably talk about Hobby Lobby forever, but they have one of the best, just kind of walking down the aisle, and they have a bunch of different hooks and stuff, and mine, I don't like motif, but design is kind of like pipes and stuff like that. I'll show you some of the stuff that I have in my studio that also bring in kind of some of that pipe feel, but these kind of really matched it pretty well. So I'm just going to take 2 screws, screw those in, and then I'll bring you back when I'm all done. I'm really excited because it's super fast, and then I have a whole box cleaned up of clutter. I'm so excited. Alrighty, I'll bring you guys back once I'm done screwing those in. Okay, so here I am. My final product. Got my little piece of wood here. Put my 2 screws in there, and then I did add on the back my little hanging, little wall hanger. I should note, it's easier if you put this on before you screw in your little hook. I didn't think about that. So put the little hanger on the back, put that on first, and then you want to screw in your hanger. So I'm going to mount this on the wall, and I'm going to hang up my bunting or slash banners, and I will show you the final product. I'm really excited. It's going to be really hard not to turn around and show you the entire thing because it looks really, really good and it's really close. But I do want to get it all clean and perfect before I turn the camera around. But it looks really good, especially, but I can't help it. The lighting in there is just fantastic. Like right now I'm outside on my patio, which I absolutely love, but it's really dark and it's really tempting to go in there and film this, but it's just so bright, and it's so bright all the time. It just makes me feel so good being in there. So I'll bring you back once I've hung everything up. Okay? Okay guys, so I brought you back where I have my bunting hangers all hung up. So hanging them up and how far apart I put them, it really depends on the bunting in which that you have and how long they are. I'm thinking that because I have way too much, which is a little bit of a theme and problem that I have, that I might actually do a second one. I might go higher with it. The bunting that I have on this one is my really small ones, so maybe like my 4 foot. So 4 foot was my smallest. I did them about 3.5 feet apart. I'd say these are probably like 4 feet apart. But these are kind of some of my smaller ones, and I do have some longer ones, so I think I am going to go ahead and make a double set and just put them farther apart and hang those up top. So some people have asked me, where have I gotten my bunting? And honestly, some I've made, like this one here, I made that one. And then also different holidays and different stores kind of release different ones. And typically they're not a whole lot, like maybe around $10. Like the Boo one, I think I got him at like Walmart, maybe. Maybe it was Hobby Lobby. I know I got the carrots, which are kind of hard to see. There's my little carrot there. I know I got him at Walmart at Easter time. Some of them I've even gotten, let's see. Oh boy, I don't want to do that. Sorry. Some of them I've even gotten on Etsy. Like this little pink knitted one. I ordered him off of Etsy. But yeah, so you just kind of keep watch, and you can find all kinds of really cool ones. Like I love this rainbow is the word that we're looking for. Rainbow is the word of the day. So this rainbow one, I have a couple different ones. Like this one, I've got a heart one, flags, and then the little dots. And I really love him. He wasn't in any kind of holiday thing. He wasn't any kind of craft store. It was like I think it's called World Market. And they just had like a whole section of different rainbow colored things. And I got pretty much all that I could because I have a problem. So a little close up here of what it looks like on the wall. I'm just kind of hanging out there. But yeah. So my beautiful bunting hanger, and then kind of a little bit of that wall that I talked about. So this makes up one whole wall, kind of the largest wall that I have in my studio that I'll utilize to put my backdrops up and stuff. So I won't turn around and show you the rest, even though it's very difficult for me not to. So thank you guys for watching. If you like what I do here, please just give me a like. Follow along with my wonderful little new studio journey. So, bye guys.